Hi everyone, welcome to this Blender tutorial series for beginners. Blender is a free, powerful tool for 3D modeling and animation. In this video, we'll explore the Blender interface, learn basic navigation, and create a simple shape by modifying a cube. Perfect for beginners? Let's jump right in. When you open Blender, you see the default screen with a cube. The central area is the 3D view, where you model. At the top right, the outliner lists all objects in your scene. Below that, the Properties panel lets you adjust settings, rendering engine, modifiers, materials, and etc. On the left top, the toolbar offers quick tools for editing, such as at top is selection options. Hold left-click to open the selection options. Below that, the Move with hotkey G, Rotate with hotkey R, Scale with hotkey S, or you can use Transform with hotkey T, which is the combination of all three at once. It may look complex, but we'll keep it simple today with the basics. Navigating in Blender is straightforward. To orbit around the cube, hold your middle mouse button and drag. To pan, hold Shift and the middle mouse button, then drag. To zoom, use your mouse's scroll wheel. Try it out. Orbit to view all sides of the cube, pan to reposition, and zoom in and out. These controls are key to working in 3D space. Let's work with the cube. Left-click to select it. It turns orange. To move, press G, drag your mouse, and left-click to confirm. For rotation, press R, drag, and left-click. To scale, press S, drag, and left-click. Want to move along one axis? After G, press X, Y, or Z. Try moving the cube along the X-axis to get the hang of it. Now let's edit the shape. Select the cube, press Tab on keyboard to enter Edit mode for editing faces. Click the Face Select icon at the top right toolbar. As you can see, it's a square bottom, or you can press number 3 on alphanumeric section of keyboard. Left-click the top face, press E to extrude, and left-click for submitting the changes. Select the front face, press E, drag forward, and left-click. You can do it in different direction X, Y, Z for extruding the faces more accurately. At the end, you can press Tab to return to object mode. That's your edited shape. Great job! You've learned some basics of Blender interface, navigation, transformations. Next video, we'll explore more modeling techniques. For more Blender basic tutorials, check out my playlist titled as Blender Tutorial Series for Beginners. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Blender tutorials. See you next time. Bye.